experiments is about speed, distance, and acceleration. And I think we want to learn about them. So we're going to put a marble, put it on a ramp, slide it down. And then we can learn about how its motion changes and speed changes when distance changes. And we're going to also see how its acceleration changes.
Our hypothesis is we think that as the distance increases, the speed of the marble will increase too, and the acceleration will also increase. For the material, we have ruler, ramp stand, stopwatch, and marble.
First, prepare the material and put them in place. Second, put the marble on the ramp, release them and start the timer. When the marble falls to the end, stop the timer. Now we get the result and we can put it on the report and graph. So this is our result. Let's start with distance time graph. We can see that every 0.2 seconds has passed, the distance increases over time. At 0.4 seconds, it's at 0.12 meters, and at 0.6 seconds, it's at 0.23 meters, and so on. Next, with the speed time graph, we can see that every 0.2 seconds has passed, the velocity of the marble increased. Again, at 0.2 seconds, the velocity is at 0.25 meters per second, and at 0.4 seconds, the velocity of the marble is at 0.38 meters per second, and go on.
Lastly, with the acceleration time graph, we can see that as the time is increased, acceleration kind of stays the same, even though our graph isn't look accurate and feel like it's decreasing. But acceleration is supposed to stay the same. Therefore, as the time is increased, the acceleration stays the same.
So now let's go to our conclusion. Our conclusion is the speed increases when distance increases, and that the acceleration stays the same. We were correct that the speed increases when distance increases. That because the speed is always changing when it goes down the ramp and the distance increases. So we were correct. And we were wrong that the acceleration increases. The acceleration doesn't increase. The acceleration is constant due to gravitational forces. Gravitational forces are constant. It falls down, it increases speed, but the acceleration stays the same. So when the speed increases, the acceleration stays the same. Therefore, our conclusion, the speed increases when distance increases, but acceleration stays the same. As an evaluation, I think we can make this experiment better so right now we are measuring distance per 0.2 seconds, and I think we could do better by measuring distance per 0.1 seconds instead. And I also think that we can do this experiment more than once. So now we're doing it only once, and I think we can do it 2 to 3 times and take the average distance traveled per 0.1 or 0.2 seconds. And I think this will make our experiment more clear and is more trustable. I think if other people is going to do this experiment and would take my advice, I think they would make a more accurate and clear experiment. Thank you.